Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn about the sounds made by the letters O-W. We're going to talk about that for a little while, and then I'm going to practice 3 trick words with you, and then you will go on to do some written work. Here we go. Now you know your vowel teams. We've gone over these many times, okay? Today we're just going to focus on this one, okay? Let's just repeat after Miss Aliverto, okay? This is a snow plow, okay? This is the machine that cleans the snow in the wintertime when there's a lot of snow. So, O-W makes 2 sounds. Just repeat after me. O-W, snow, O. You repeat. O-W, snow, O. Good. O-W, plow, ow. You repeat. O-W. Good. Now, I'm going to move this to the side, okay? Now, we're going to build the word snow, okay? If you have trouble, what you can do is tap it out. S-N-O, right? Now, I'm going to build it. This is how we build it. Ready? This is S, N is N, O-W, snow, right? Snow. Okay, now I'm going to put this away. While I'm doing that, tap out the sounds for the word brown. Okay, now do it with me. Brown. Good. What's the first sound? Good. Next is what? Good. R. Ow is what? O-W. And the last sound, everybody? Good. N. Brown. You see now it makes the ow sound, and before it made the O sound, so we have to pay attention to things like that. When we come across a word, sometimes we have to read it twice and see which sound is the correct one. I'm going to give you an example. Now I'm going to start writing. Okay, I'm putting these away. And I'm going to take out my whiteboard if I don't knock the camera down. Here we go. Okay, now let's look at this word. Now we could sound it out. Okay, flow. That doesn't sound right, so now let's try the other sound. Flow. Yes, that is a real word. Very good. Okay, now watch what happens if I add ER. Flower? No. So it looks like this has changed. So we have to try the other sound and see if that word makes sense. Flower. Is that right? Yes, flower is a real word. Okay, let's try another one. Now let's try one way of reading it. Ow, tow. That's not a real word. Let's try the other sound for O-W. T-O, toe. Okay, that is like a tow truck. Okay, the toe on your foot is spelled like that. Okay, that's a homophone. Don't worry about that right now. So this is toe. Now, watch what happens when I add ER. Let's try that sound again. T-O-er. Tower? That's not a word. So now let's try the other sound for O-W. Tower. Tower. A tower is a tall building. Okay? See how that O-W can change? Let's try another one. Can you read this word, boys and girls? I'll give you a chance. The word is show. I hope you got that right. Now, what happens when I add an ER? What's the word now? Okay, it's not shower, it's shower. So this O-W changed its sound. Let's try another word. Try to read that. I'm not going to help you this time. You can call out the answer. Okay, crow is not a word, okay? Crow. A crow is a black bird, okay? Now, if I put a D at the end, what's the word? Crowed is not a word. Crowd. When there's a crowd of people, there are many people around you. So when you don't know how to read a word, you try the two different sounds for OW, and one of them will sound right. What is this word? It is not row, because that's not a real word. Let's try row. Oh yeah, you can row a boat, or you have rows of desks in school. Now, I'm going to put a different ending at the end. D-Y. R-ow-D. Rowdy. When people are rowdy, they're usually jumping around and making a lot of noise. Okay? Now, watch this word that I'm going to write. B-O-W. This is a funny word because you can read this word in two different ways. You can say bow and you can say bow. Now, let's write this sentence. I tied the string in a bow. Okay? So in this case, the word is bow. Now we're going to write another sentence. We took a bow at the end of our play. Do you remember how to spell we? I hope so. Call it out. Good. We took. Does anybody know how to spell that? Good. T-O-O is okay. We took a bow at the end of our. Who knows how to spell our? Good. O-U-R. Who knows how to spell play? P-O-A. I hear the P and the L. And what do I put here for A? We have to pick one of those vowel pairs. A-Y. We took a bow at the end of our play. So this could say bow and it could say bow. Okay? Very good. And last but not least, let's practice our trick words. Very, very important. You need to spell the days of the week with capital letters. And even on your spelling test, to get all the points, you have to use capital letters. Okay, the first one is Wednesday. It's very tricky. When. Okay. Now, while I trace it, please write it with me. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Okay, the day part is easy. I used to remember as a kid, it looks like Wednesday, but it's Wednesday. It's very tricky, so you really have to memorize that one. Let's try Thursday. All right, write it with me. Capital T. Write it in the air, okay? H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Now we know how to spell day. That's easy. We know TH. Actually, we know UR says right? Thursday. Okay? And now let's write Friday in the air. Capital F-R-I-D-A-Y. Okay? Now when I turn this off, you can practice writing those 3 days of the week in the air again. Okay? Have a good day, everybody.